If you're a DIYer or work on your own home, one of the most important things to know before touching a wire is whether it's energized. That's where the Kaiweets 2-in-1 screwdriver comes in. It combines a voltage tester and screwdriver into one compact tool, and it's available as both a Phillips head and flathead screwdriver. The first feature is the non-contact voltage detection. Before removing an outlet, replacing a light switch, or opening a junction box, you can quickly check whether AC voltage is present without making direct contact with the conductor. It's a fast first step before beginning any electrical work. It also features contact voltage detection. If you have access to an exposed terminal screw or conductor, you can confirm whether voltage is actually present. This is useful when troubleshooting a dead outlet, checking whether power is reaching a light fixture, or verifying that a circuit is energized after resetting a breaker. Another feature is continuity testing. For example, if an extension cord suddenly stops working, you can check whether either conductor has an internal break. You can also test a blown fuse or verify that a light switch is properly opening and closing the circuit. And because it's also a screwdriver, once you've confirmed the circuit is safe to work on, you can immediately remove an outlet cover, loosen terminal screws, or replace a switch without reaching for another tool. And since it's available in both flathead and Phillips head, you're covered for the most common electrical fasteners around the house. For quick electrical troubleshooting and basic repairs, having voltage detection, continuity testing, and a screwdriver all in one tool makes this a practical addition to any homeowner's toolbox. Just remember, always follow proper electrical safety practices and never rely on a single test before working on a circuit. And if you've never experienced any of Kaiweets' electrical tools or products before, I've used several of them for years and can tell you that I am absolutely a fan. They make an excellent quality product and I don't think you'll be disappointed. So I hope this was helpful. Reach out anytime with questions or concerns. Have a great day.